Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Matt from RC Overload, and today I'm down here in the studio doing a little bit of cleaning, and I figured I'd charge up some batteries and take this little guy out. Whoa, careful there, little bugger. This is the Nano CPS. As most of you guys know, I'm trying to get more and more into 3D flight, but I've only had so much time worth flying, and a lot of my flying has been done in safe mode with all of these Blade helicopters that I've got. So I decided to pick this one up, right? Small little guy, really tiny, so it's perfect for some indoor flight, which is great because over the winter I'm going to be spending a lot of time down here in the studio, and this will be able to give me some more practice. Now, it's not a perfect setup because it is very small. There's a lot of stuff down here, but it's going to help me with the reflexes and learning the helicopter in more of an agility mode or 3D mode. Now, I can fly helicopters pretty well in safe mode, and I feel like it's a little too easy for me. So I needed to up it a little bit, so I'm starting to learn on agility mode and 3D mode using this guy. So, today I figured I'd film a little bit of how well I can fly right now and kind of just share my little adventure with you guys. So, hopefully you guys will enjoy. You will see some crashes, you will see some banged up stuff, but it's all part of the flying and learning process. So, let's get into it.